Hi friends, this video shows how to fix app not installed error. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select privacy protection. Go down, select special permissions. From this list, we have to select install unknown apps. Here we can see list of apps. If we are getting app not installed error from Google Chrome browser, when we try to install Android APK file, select Google Chrome browser from this list, then enable this option. Tap here and enable. Then select this checkbox, then tap on OK. So this way we can fix app not installed error which is coming from Google Chrome browser when we try to install Android APK file. Tap on OK. Done. Similarly, if we are getting this app not installed error from some different app, for example file manager or Firefox browser, then you have to select file manager or Firefox browser from this list, then enable this option. That's so. That way we can fix this issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.